Your trademark is the heartbeat of your business in Brazil, a symbol that sets you apart and defines your identity. So, is there anything more important than securing trademarks in Brazil? Well, the pulse of this heartbeat isn't just about registration. It's about keeping it alive and well. Here comes the concept of trademark expiration. It's a bit like a ticking time bomb. You see, neglecting to effectively use your registered trademark or failing to comply with legal obligations can lead to its expiration. The National Institute of Industrial Property, better known as INPI, is the guardian of trademarks in Brazil. Step out of line with them, and your registration could be deemed invalid. The crux of the matter is this. Under Brazilian laws, you must use your trademark as initially filed. A little tweak here and there that doesn't alter the original distinctive character is fine, but any notable deviation or unjustified non-use might just blow up your registration. Hence, the question arises, how much can a trademark owner tweak the original character? There are examples where the BRPTO, Brazil's Patent and Trademark Office, has deemed alterations as not changing the original character, and others where the alterations were seen as changing the original distinctive character. In Brazil, you're not obliged to prove continuous use within 5 years. But if you're challenged, the burden of proof lies on you. To justify, you need to demonstrate a legitimate interest, be it existing rights or the prospect of acquiring rights. What counts as legitimate interest? It can range from registration or application for registration of an identical or similar trademark to mark identical, similar, or related goods or services, to registration or application for registration of a geographical indication, well-known trademark or industrial design reproduced by the trademark. Personality rights and copyright also count, as do other rights that characterize your interest or activity in a market segment identical or similar to the products and services marked by the trademark. How can you prove your use to defend a non-use cancellation? It's all about fostering a good IP culture within your company. Preserving and managing evidence is crucial. The means of proving its use can vary, and may include elements such as sales invoices, commercial contracts, import or export registrations, and advertising material, among other suitable documents that demonstrate the effective use of the trademark in the market. To be accepted as supporting documents for the use of a trademark in a proof of use proceeding, the evidence must be issued by the applicant of the registration, or allow the identification of the applicant of the registration. It must be dated within the investigation period, make reference to the trademark as granted or with minimal changes that do not modify its original distinctive character, and demonstrate the trademark granted by marking the goods or services listed on the registration certificate. As we've discovered, maintaining an active trademark is vital to safeguarding your brand's identity, market position, and consumer trust. But what happens if a trademark expires? Let's delve into the significant repercussions a company may face. Firstly, the loss of exclusive rights. Once the trademark is cancelled, the exclusivity of its use is lost. This opens up space for competitors to use the same or similar trademarks, potentially confusing consumers and diluting your brand's market presence. Secondly, there's the risk of lost investments. Investments in branding, advertising, and reputation associated with a lapsed brand can be lost. This impacts the public's perception of the company, potentially leading to loss of customer loyalty and trust. Lastly, there are potential legal difficulties. The company may face legal challenges when trying to reclaim the trademark or challenge a third party's registration of a similar trademark. This can lead to costly litigation and damage to the company's reputation. In conclusion, it's essential to stay vigilant, meet usage requirements, and comply with legal obligations to protect your intellectual property and avoid these detrimental consequences.